I hit roadblocks and there were always obstacles. And I loved it. So that really is just what took over. I let my actions do the talking, and here I am still walking. Late 70s, I came to work with my dad, and I really liked it. So I hung around. When I was finished with high school, I went into automotive trade school. Women Auto Know started with women because of this need. Clearly, like I took off my auto shop armor and I saw scared people. So I needed to connect. Check your rubbers. Rubbers break. Dry, brittle, cracked. Why it's so important to me is because I believe that the service that I am providing it's exceptional. It does something for other people. Take the driver's seat.
All right.
See this sticker?
Right.
It has your tire size. Okay, that's the tire wear indicator bar. See this?
Yes.
What is that?
Oil.
Washer fluid.
That's what I thought. Excuse me, get out of the way, please.
Oh, yes, sir.
G Thing, sponsored by Northwell Health. Look north.